reach my foot, grab my leg, I push up. Cross the legs, please, cross your legs. Beautiful. Be more on your side. We're more on your back. You see that I can feel your scapula with my heel?
Yeah.
No, I don't want to feel it. I don't want to feel more. Yes, right there. This is better. Now, I twist. I catch the third hand. You need the other one? Beautiful. Keep pushing. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. I don't want to wait for you. Sorry. Close the legs. Yes, remember, you feel my foot, close immediately, no matter what. That is the most important part. Because if you rotate without closing, you have the risk of falling. Give me the upper hand. Give me the upper hand. Push. 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 Cross the legs.